Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Super Linux. So in this video, guys, we're going to see how to install Red Hat 9.3. So first of all, you have to make an account in order to download the ISO image of your Red Hat copy. Okay, and then this is done by going to redhat.com over here. Okay, then you will go to the login here. Then you register an account. This is my real email, by the way. If you want to contact me, I have no problem. Okay, and then you type all this information. Anything in red, it's a must write. Okay, you have to write it. Okay, and then once you create the account, you will be asked to look at your email account that you used. Okay, you cannot use anything. And then you will get such an email, okay, which has this verification link, okay, to verify that you are not a robot, as they say in the captchas. Okay, this is a real account, and once it's done, okay, once it's done, this is another one. Okay, no problem, I'm gonna remove this. So once it's done, okay, I'm gonna go back, of course. So I'm gonna log in again, and then I'm gonna use the same account that I've done. Okay, then this is my real email. I go next and then put the password. Okay, now now product trials. Okay, yeah, so I downloaded this. Try it. Okay, and then you can download. Okay, try it. You start your trial. Okay, start your trial. Okay, I have a trial already, but you can start the download like here. Okay, and so there are still 32 left out of 60 or 90 days. I'm not sure. I think they were 60. Okay, now then I'm going to log out anyway. Okay, you can keep it all over the night to download, just like the 10 gigabytes. It's not a small one. Okay, then after I downloaded the ISO image, I created a virtual machine using a VMware workstation. I selected that it is 4 gigabytes RAM, 8 processors, because this is how can my system this is how much my system allows. Okay, processors, I'm using the all processors. I gave up to 100 gigabytes of a hard disk. Okay, NVMe or whatever. Yeah, and I told them where the ISO image is. Okay, here it's on this path. Okay, then we're going to start the machine. Then you've got these two options, and there is the third one. Of course, the third one, I'm gonna go inside it. Let's see. So this means if you want to install Red Hat in a textual mode without a graphical interface, I'm going to use the graphical interface anyway. And this one, if for example you have already a system, and for example you lost your root password, this will help you a lot. Okay, it will be very helpful for you. Okay, now this one, the second one here I'm pointing at, is the one that will test the ISO, whether there's any deficiencies, anything misdownloaded. Okay, maybe the file you got it is corrupt. Okay, so it will do a checksum on the file, and it will check if the file is 100% downloaded. Okay, because it's not small file, you're talking about 10 gigabytes. Then Okay, and it's the same as the first one, but the first one is without the test. Okay, so I'm gonna go without a test. Here the installer is called Anaconda. Okay, there's a shell, another shell other than this graphical interface you're gonna see is on TTY2, which is by pressing Alt Control F2. Okay, now the operating system, I'm gonna use English for the installation process. Okay, I'll go with the United States English. This means that like if you were in Australia, for example, you want to see the advertisements of Australia, okay, you have to choose for Australia, okay, and sometimes regarding the way you type the dates and numbers, okay, with the currency numbers, okay, the currency value numbers, okay. So I'm gonna go with English, okay, and then here the keyboard, first of all I will have to add Arabic because I'm an Arab, so I'll have to add an Arabic language. And here the options, okay, to switch between Arabic and English, just type or click here Alt plus Shift, okay, and then that's done. Okay, what's language support here? Additional languages. I'm not gonna use any of the additional languages. Okay, done. Okay, maybe those additional languages are for, let's add the Arabic, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna put Lebanon. Okay, this is where I reside now. Okay, now here the automatic partitioning selected. I must like I know how to use Debian Linux, so that's why I know most of the applications that are used in Linux generally, regardless of the name of the distribution. Okay, this is important. You have to put a root password. I'm gonna put the number 1. Okay, number 1, and I'm gonna use it just for test. Use a very serious password. Okay, very strong password. So allow root with SSH here. Okay, so this means if you wanna like in a secure way, you wanna connect remote from a remote place to this machine. Done. If I want, because this is a very weak password, so I have to type done twice. Okay, they are asking you whether you're sure for this about this password. Okay, I'm sure, no problem. And I want to make a username. It's called Oracle with a password. I'm not gonna make them, of course. Don't do it yet. Okay, just gonna put the password. That's number 1. Okay, what's advanced here? Okay, yeah, I'll give him. This is fine. Okay, 1000. So you can add into different groups. Those are important if you have some applications that needs them. Don't put him in wheel. Wheel means that he will be a system admin. Okay, save changes. Okay, and done twice. Now here I'm not gonna connect the network because I'm not sure whether it's gonna go to the internet and use the internet. I don't want it to use the internet, so I'm gonna disconnect it. Red Hat, just for the same name of the system. Okay, just give a name for the computer. Done. Security profile, no security. No. I don't want to select any security profile. This is just for a normal desktop. This is how I'm gonna use it. Okay. And date and time is not in the Americas. I live in Lebanon, so I'm gonna put it here. This is where Jerusalem is. Okay. Anyway, I'm Palestinian, by the way. So I'm gonna just put a payload just for the sake of okay. And yeah, I'm gonna use network dialing, of course. Ah, yeah, that's why I disconnected the internet. Okay, done. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna turn it on. Go with the different time. See, it took it. Okay. Anyway, installation media, of course, is a local media. It's from the DVD. Use Rufus if you want to burn this on a flash and install it for real on a real system. Now, okay, installation media. This one, but it said automatic. I'm gonna make it custom. Okay, refresh. Discount discs. This is all discount discs. Okay. Wanna make custom. Full summary and boot. The full disk summary and boot order. But where is the partitioning tool? Add a disk. I don't have any other disks. Oh no. I don't have any of these. Okay. Let's keep it like this. Done. Okay. Okay. New pod. Okay. Create them automatically. Don't want to use LVM. I want to use standard partitioning. Okay. LVM is just for example, if you if you want to make the sizes of the partitioning like you get the chance to manipulate them. Okay, that's it. Live. Okay, without reinstalling the whole system. So okay, so I've got here swap 3 gigabytes. Okay, cool. And this is for EFI. This is important. This is for bootloading. This is slash boot. Well, I don't know why they're making this slash boot alone. This is 1 gigabyte for it. This is the whole system. Okay, and home. It's okay to do it like this. Okay, well, I just want to make it just as a one partition. So I'm gonna remove the slash home. Delete it. I'm gonna delete this too, and desired capacity maximum. I'm gonna say it. Let me remove it. Deleted. Unknown. Okay, great. Let's add mount point slash. Add mount point. Okay. I did not write the capacity. Let's say 95. How much is left? Cancel. 1 giga here, 3 giga here. Okay, this is 4 gigabytes. Okay. Let's say plus slash. I'm gonna make it 90 gigabytes, and I gotta say 95 gigabytes. Okay, add a mount point. Trying to add a total space. Third one, click for details. Okay. Right, this is slash. Okay, and desired capacity is let's see, 93 gigabytes. Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna lose 1 gigabyte, no problem. That's just the system allows me. Unable to allocate. Discount. Let me discount. Okay. So okay, done. Okay, this is the whole system. I'm gonna remove these 30 gigabytes. Delete it. I'm gonna change this and make it like 93.35. Okay. Update settings. Okay, cool. Now done. Click here for details. Fit to go find a suitable stage. This will mounted on who said the type here is XFS. The extended for that one is XFS. Okay. Swap. Yeah, fee must be a fat here both. Okay. And done. Click here for details. Okay. Slash root slash EFI. Okay. Update settings. Done. This is the root. Oh, okay. This is 1 point slash. Update settings. Done. Man, this is too much. Discard all changes. Reset. Okay. Then now I'm gonna do it. Trying to do it the same way I used to do it on the Debian. I'm gonna delete all. Minus. Delete it. Minus. And delete it. This one too. Minus. Delete it. Swap is just fine. Okay, I'm gonna add slash, and it will be the 93 gigabytes. Add the mount point. And no, 93 gigabytes. And the format as extended for, and update settings. And delete this too. Delete it. Okay, now add slash, okay, 93, 95, no problem. Okay, gigabytes. Okay, they're using jib. Okay, jib. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna use different. So 9.5 jib. Okay, and it should be formatted as extended 4. Okay, update settings. Okay, then I'm going to use like 3 gigabytes mount point. This is no mount point. I'm gonna use swap. Swap. Okay, this will be like 2 gigabyte GIV. Another mount point. Okay, and it needs like this should be something like an EFI, but we need an EFI partition. Okay, let's go with this. Done. EFI must be mounted on one of /boot/EFI. Okay, he's going to make a partition. Oh, you want to make a partition. It's 3 gigabytes available. Okay, so I'm gonna use /EFI. Okay, this will be like 100, like a 515. 12 heb and 1 point. Okay, this I will have to reformat it as EFI, of course, and here I must update it to the rests. Okay, so like 6, 7. Anyway, keep it like this, is okay. Now I'm gonna done. Yeah, accept all changes. Okay, now software selection I'm not gonna do with a server GUI. I'm gonna go with the workstation more, and I'm gonna use the GNOME applications, internet applications. This is Office also. Smart card. I don't have smart card authentication, though it will be fine if you have something like a Dell workstation, a Precision workstation laptop. It has it. This I need it for compatibility tools. Okay, this I need it too. Not yet, not this. This is important for drivers and things like that. This is not. I'm not a Microsoft fan. This is when you use C# and stuff like that. Graphical administration tools, yeah, no problem. This one for some servers like SSH and stuff. No, I'm not gonna do RPM packages. This is important. See, it talks about SMB shares. Okay, if you wanna connect to Windows shares over your local network. This, if you want, use it. Well, it's not important yet here. Okay. Scientific support tools, power computing. Let me install it. No problem. Let's see what we'll get. Okay. And done. And then we can begin installation. And then we wait. I know it took me time because I'm not used to the interface of Red Hat. Okay, to install okay, to install it. Okay, I'm used more to Debian, so this is the way that I'm used to install and partition. Partition the system for Linux. Okay, I could have added like another partition for /home, which means that you will make your data like kept aside in order to like if you want to reinstall the system, you don't have to reformat it. Okay, that partition called /home, which contains your own private data. Okay, so in this way, when you want to install, everything will come back as it was. You'll only reinstall the operating system only. Okay, so as you can see, there are like 1,438 packages. Okay, now the packaging system works as such. There's no repetition, which means, so if you are using Windows, sometimes you buy some applications or you install some applications. You see that you are installing the same like libraries which your application depends on. Okay, multiple times. This will waste space on your hard drive. Okay, and Linux, this is not the case. You install it once, other applications can use it, and you can update it too. Okay, so this will save you lots of space. Okay, on your hard drive. Okay. Okay. Don't know why it's stopping on the grep. It took long. Okay, it shouldn't. Okay, it's just the grep command. I don't know why it took long to be installed. Okay, it's a very important command. But just I'm saying that it's just its front print on the system, and it should be small. Okay, I hope it's not downloading anything from the internet, because I left the network card on. Okay, running. Okay, so all you have to do is just wait, okay, until this ends. Okay, yeah, we are like halfway. Although the pointer here, or the progress bar, or the progress bar, I mean, is not showing. So, okay. I think they will do the configurations later. I remember that Red Hat do it this way. Okay. It's not hard. Yeah, this is for the language, scripting language called Perl. Okay. Should be faster than this because my hard disk is an SSD. I think it should be faster than this. Okay. I'm not sure why it's so slow. So this is the kernel development. This means the kernel package, okay, or maybe the headers, okay, like in Debian they call them Linux headers, okay. This is events and evolution, totem, gedit, okay, all the usual desktop applications, the Firefox, okay. When they type the name no arch, it means no architecture. This means that it's not does not follow or does not have to be a specific architecture, okay, in order to run. So it does not have to be, for example, an old Intel CPU or a new Intel CPU or maybe an ARM processor for telephones, you know. So that's what they're talking about, okay. Let the music play, play on, play on. Let the music go, go, go. And let Linux go, go and go. Okay, 200 packages to do. Okay. 12, 9, 4. 100 left. Okay. Grub is the boot menu, okay. Same, it will be the same one that you saw when we started the system. Installing the Red Hat. You know, when you said there's the test and install directly and install the text mode, okay. I think this is the kernel itself, kernel dash core. It's the actual kernel. This is the real Linux, I think so. Because it says kernel core. Okay. This is actually what. Yeah, this is the package that contains the Linux. Okay, the engine of the system. Okay, this is what the kernel is about actually. Okay. You see me hicking up, okay, so yeah, you see my hiccups. Yeah, I'm really full. Well, I don't eat up while I'm working, okay, because my shift is short generally, okay. With time you see that it is short. Okay, start from 9 and I leave like 3 p.m. 3:30 p.m. Okay, so yeah. Kmod, I think the kernel module, this is I think like some kind of a driver which I don't know about. KVDO, maybe a kernel video, don't know. Yeah, microcode is things related to the CPU itself. Okay, microcode control, something related to the internals of your CPU. Mail cap. Okay, this is for controlling the email. Mail cap. The secure shell SSH is secure shell. Now installing the bootloader. This means that grub is getting installed. This means the system is installed. Configuring the installed system. Yep, we're done. We're done. That's it. Okay, we're done. You can see how fast is the progress bar is working. Okay, I'm moving. Init FS is important for the boot process. Okay. Init FS means like initialize the RAM file system. Okay, it's like you can say it's a partition that you make in your inside the RAM. Okay. Okay, we're going to reboot. Welcome to Red Hat. Let's see. I hope it boots. Okay, because we changed the booting method. It's not that. I did not remove the DVD, by the way. What we're going to see. Yes, it is booting. Cool. It's first time boot. Okay, it has been ages since I used Red Hat, by the way. Okay, so this is Oracle. I'm gonna put 1 as a password and press enter. Use a serious password, by the way. I wanted to take a tour. Let's take a tour. Take a tour. Let's see. Start the tour. And start it. Get an overview. Press activities to see. Open. Make apps your own. Arrange the app grid in the liking. Keep top with workspaces. Up and down for view overview to touchpad. Okay, if you have a touchpad, swiping etc. Okay. Left right for workspaces. That's up. This means that you can use Red Hat on a touchpad, you know, a tablet. I'm not gonna just do this. Okay, there's no reason. Okay, I don't want to pay them anything. Okay. The DVD, it seems that it has lots of applications that are more than enough. Okay, activities, you can like this. I want mates, I don't want this interface, you know. Firefox, let's see Firefox just for a second. Yeah, it's opening on Red Hat. You can see here. Okay. Privacy notice even. Okay, cool, fine. We're done. Keep it. I would need. I might need it. Okay. Or maybe I'm gonna close it. I'm still not used to such interface. I just hate GNOME, by the way, because this show applications. Okay. Of course. Let's see what version they have here. LibreOffice Writer. Help about. Oh, it's too old. Here a 7.6, by the way. It's too old. Okay, let me show you. Okay. This is my office. See? 7.6. Okay, it's too old, by the way. This has to be removed. You have to install a new one. Okay. It seems that there are so many old applications in this distribution. Okay, it's old. Let's close, exit. Right. Let me see the terminal. Yum search and mint. Okay, now root mate. How much is it? Right. This means that if you want to change this to something else, okay. Activities. This is the file system. Okay. See here. Can't I add anything here? This is normal. This is Kaha, the same. If you want to say the file manager of GNOME, same. Okay. But I want to add. Mate, don't want this list. This is the network, etc. Settings. Okay. Regional language. If you want to change it to Arabic, let's see what will happen. Language. Select. Just a second. Almost. And it changes. Restart. Let's log out. Okay. 1 and enter. I took the Asma al-Qadima. Yes, leave it like this. Don't mess with these names. Okay. It will be very, very troublesome for you later. Okay, you'll see that. Okay. No, I don't want to. Well, see software updates. Okay. Okay, so let's go here, go to settings and change it back to English. Tashreer. Yep, and then just a minute. Language has to be English. Choose. Okay. Come on. Yes. Okay. This is one. Press enter. Okay, changed everything. Now what else? This is the software. Browse software. Work. Socialize. Where are the software that I've installed? Okay, let's see here. This one. So calculator, videos, utilities. Disks. Okay. Rest goes to create DVDs. XChat is for IRC chatting. Okay. Subscription manager, Linux troubleshooter. This is VNC viewer, tour, no. Evolution, yes. Where are all the apps that I've done that I've installed? Of course, Samba is there. I know, sure. For sure, it should be like this. So it's like ls slash smb slash etc slash smb or Samba. If we want to browse the network, we can just simply find it. Yes, we do. Let's see, SSH root, not root, Oracle at 192.168.1.5, 5.6, I'm not sure. Yes. Okay. Okay, I made a mistake in the password. Okay. This is my Debian system, so I'm from Red Hat. I'm logging into Debian. Okay, this is the one that I'm recording from. Okay. What else now? What else? Install scientific issue applications. Where are they? Okay. Here they are. Open. Okay. And looking whether there's case starts. One case starts here. What's this? Below gedit. That's it. Oh wait. I'm gonna test whether the C++ has been installed. Okay. Play. What's playing? Nothing. Create. No. Something. Okay. C yum. G++. Yeah, G++ installed. Let's see which version. Version 11. Okay. Yes, that's, yeah. Yeah, 2024. Just started 2024. So yeah, it's fine. Okay, this version's okay. Let's see if I yum search Haskell stack. Okay. HSC is there, but it's not installed, of course. Stack. Okay, this is 40 p.m. Mate, there's no mate, so there's nothing wrong. It's just you have to subscribe in order to work with the Red Hat's method. Although you can use from other parts, like from other people, how to install mates. Okay, so install mate on. Okay, but this means that I should be using other distributions like packages. Okay, it shouldn't be like mixing packages from different distributions. Okay, here. This is another page which tells us. Okay. Okay, let's see now. You have to register, about registration. Okay, let's see, DNF. I use Yum, by the way. DNF update. Okay. If you want to register, I think you'll have to pay, and that's it. Activities. Software. Let's see. Updates. Update. Software repositories. Yes, enable. 1. Authenticate. And vendor firmware says okay, enable. Oh, no, just a minute. Firmware, this is for firmware. Okay, enable. And update like this. I'm not enabled repositories and /etc yum.repos.d and yum repos I have. Let's log out and log in again, because this is where the log out. This is where it asks you to create a subscription. Okay, I hope there's something for free. Just the system. Not registered. Okay. Okay. So you must buy an account. Okay, something like an activation. Okay. Okay. But it's just good. It's just good enough. Okay. That's why we recommend that if you want something for free, use something like Rocket Linux. Okay, it will do the same thing as Red Hat's, most of the things. Okay, and that's it. That's all I want to say. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Bye.